Hello friends, guess what? I just bought a brand new patio furniture set. I picked it up at Home Depot, Canada. That's where I live. It's called the Hampton Bay Arcadian conversation set. So it's a kind of a 6-seater. It looks pretty nice in the pictures. It was on sale. I went ahead and bought it because ours was falling apart, to be honest. And it was time to update. Our old patio set was bought at that Swedish store. It was made of wood and it was rotten. It was falling apart and enough is enough. It was time to buy a new one. We wanted specifically something that has a metal frame, weatherproof metal frame, so it lasts for a long time. And that's what we found in this Hampton Bay set. Metal frame, weather-resistant cushions, so if it stays outside, it's not the end of the world. And hopefully this will last us many years to come. Overall, the buying experience was really easy. At 7 a.m. on a Sunday, I was on my computer placing the order. At 12:30 p.m. the same day, Sunday, I got an email saying that my order is ready for pickup. I drove up a bit worried that I won't have enough room in my car, but everything was loaded up easily and nicely with somebody from the Home Depot team's help. And I drove back home, unloaded all the stuff, and then waited another day until today. So I can go to the backyard and put it together. So a few words about this conversational set, this patio set. Putting it together was not difficult. It was straightforward. Almost everything was with an Allen key, and I didn't need any of my tools. I put them away, and I just did a lot of twisting with an Allen key, all the bolts that hold this together. The cushions, of course, came assembled, bagged individually. The instructions were clear. Everything lined up, everything worked and was thoughtful in terms of helping me figure out how to put this together. One single bolt or hole was not prepped properly and it was really hard to put in the bolt. I muscled through it and I figured it out. And now it's assembled and it's put together. You can move and shift those and then put some clamps to hold them to hold the pieces together once you've decided on your configuration. So that's important to note. All these are independent until you put a little plastic clamp down there, which I will, and that holds them together. Cushions. The cushions are a little bit flimsy to my taste. I would have wanted something sturdier, more heavy duty. Same for the cover. The cover is really almost like an indoor couch cover. I would have loved to have something a bit more sturdy. But hey, it was $9.99, so an inexpensive set. You want better quality, I guess you should spend more money. A few final thoughts about the table. The table is a bit too much if you ask me. I would have been happier with a simpler table. This one is kind of big and black and it takes a lot of visual space. I would have liked something a bit simpler. It has storage capacity, which is okay, but we had rain this morning and it just filled with water, which makes me scratch my head. Did I mess something up in the assembly? I'm not sure. So easy to assemble, straightforward instructions, fits our space perfectly. It seems sturdy, it's pretty, it's stylish, and I'm ready to chill. Oh.